Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to download videos from social media free. So we are going to be using our app Vybe video downloader, this app right here. So that's what we are going to be using. So first of all, you need to go to the social media that you want to download the video from. So I'll be going to Facebook. So I have you can choose any kinds of videos you want to download. So I'll just pick I want a short video. Let me get a short video, and then we go right there. Okay, so there's this app here.
Now only son, and they always
what you need to do is to just click on the three dots here and then click on copy link.
comment. Now
When you are done copying the link of the video, just go back to the app Vybe video downloader. I'll be leaving the description, the link to download the app in the description. So just get to the description and download the app there. So this is the app right here. Now if you're opening the app for the first time, every day an ad will show for some 5 seconds, so you just have to watch and then get access. So now when the app is open, you will see download all social media videos. So you just click on this one right here. Then in this link here, enter URL. So you just long press and then paste the URL you've copied. Then you wait for some time, then it will load for you to download your video. So just wait, you can see it's loading. Now over here you can see you can change the resolution of the video. You can change the resolution of the video. So you just click on download. This one, you click on download video. Then you choose how you want to download. I normally use Google Chrome, so I'll just go just once. Then this option will come here. Then you click on your download. Then you will see you can see that this is the download process. So when it's complete, then you have your video on your phone. So you can do the same thing to YouTube videos. Actually, I don't want to download this video, so I'm just going to pause and cancel. I'm going to cancel it. So that is how you download video from all social media platforms. So you can see the platforms. Just copy the link from the platform and then come paste it here, and then you are good to go. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video.